And moving on to other stories, even as to follow that as a developing one, the voter registration exercise has officially kicked off in Turkana County, with the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission targeting 27,000 new voters. Speaking in Turkana North, returning officer John Ngitui Munyeko confirmed that preparations had been finalized, with registration clerks already deployed to centers across the constituency. Munyeko said Turkana North has been allocated 27 registration kits, each operated by 2 clerks, bringing it to total the number of clerks to 54 to ensure a smooth and efficient process.
We have got 123 stations. Those are polling centers, and the kits given to the whole constituency are 27. We're going to have an average of about a minimum of 4 kits in every county assembly ward, and the registration is going to cover 30 days, starting from tomorrow up to 28th of April, running throughout the week, both weekends and weekdays. The expectation for entire county is 27,000 people to be registered, which is cuts across the 6 constituencies. So people are ready. We have trained them. We trained them for 2 days, and we're having 2 people per kit. That's we have now 54 clerks in the entire constituency.
And still on matters